Good afternoon, press people. You know who I am. I am not Sean Spicer. I'll tell you, I am Sarah Huckabee Sanders, and I'm going to answer all your questions. So y'all just sit back, and I'm going to explain everything. First of all, Donald Jr. met with a Russian attorney. Just an attorney. Didn't meet with anybody selling vodka or selling information, but he was interested in adopting babies and getting dirt on Hillary Clinton, and he didn't get anything, didn't get babies or dirt. President Trump knew nothing about it. Even if he heard it, he knows nothing about it. So I have replaced Sean Spicer. We have locked in the green room in one of the closets, and he's staying there for a while. Now we're going to start taking questions. Start with you, Geraldo Rivera, and you knuckleheads, if you get out of line, I'm going to have you arrested. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you for letting me speak here. Geraldo Rivera, Fox News. Sorry to hear that Sean Spicer's locked in the closet in the green room. Anyway, my question to you is, did Donald Jr. get any vodka from the Russian attorney? Thank you, Geraldo. Donald Jr. is not drinking vodka with the Russian attorney. He was drinking vodka with his father in another room after he met with people. Met with the Russians, and there were a lot of Russians in the room, but nothing happened. It's just speculation. It's fake news, and stop publishing fake news. It is not helpful to the American people. Actually, President Trump is here. He's going to speak. It's a surprise for me. And yes, I have Sean Spicer locked in a closet in the green room, or whatever room, Oval Office, and we'll let him out for a little air, a little later on. Maybe he'll come out and say hi and go after you guys. So, looks like President Trump is here.
I am here. Donnie is a good boy, and he didn't do anything wrong. He wanted to go out with the Russian attorney, that's about it. Go out for a little vodka, but he's a good boy and he didn't do anything wrong. I knew nothing about this meeting. I know nothing. My fellow Americans and my fellow press people, you just stop that fake news. So we're looking to get some information on Hillary. That's true, but there's nothing on Hillary. We're hoping to make it up. Maybe Jerry Seinfeld would make up some good fake news. So you guys stop with the fake news, and you're just paranoid about everything, and there's nothing going on, and that's it. By the way, if you like this puppet vlog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right hand corner where my bangs are hanging.